with a microwave press. That is a panini maker that goes far beyond just making paninis. Look at that cheese, it's falling apart. It's so gooey and ooey.
Oh my.
Wow, is that amazing?
Look at that.
Made in the microwave with an aluminum press. All safe for microwave. You're getting beautiful stay cool handles on the side. You can also even throw these in the dishwasher. I want to tell you the color choices that we have because we are down to only 2 colors remaining. Ooh. This is my pick of the show. I love anything that helps me cook very great food, but faster, because we all have busy schedules and we don't always have enough time to put things in the oven or to even cook on the stovetop. Let's do this in the microwave. We have the tomato option for you, but only 500 remain. And we have cracked pepper for you, 300 remain there. Free shipping and handling, so you are saving an additional $5.50 for that shipping and handling. All right, Mark, let's dive in.
Tell you what, welcome to the Prepology sandwich shop, right?
Yes, I'm ready.
All you need is your imagination and a microwave. I'm going to take care of the rest. Here's what I mean.
Amazing.
So you preheat your panini and grill maker in the microwave for about 3 minutes, okay? The sides get warm, so I use a cloth. I always do.
Got it.
Now, if you're thinking to yourself, hold on there, big guy, is that metal in the microwave? Yes, it is. Guys, this is cast aluminum designed specifically to go in your microwave. So if you're like me and you chase those bar marks and you like those grill marks, you don't got to run out in the winter and do that. You can now do it in your own microwave. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of garlic butter. I just want everybody to be quiet and listen to this. Oh, yeah.
Do you hear that sizzle?
That's sizzling out of your microwave on the aluminum plate, okay? So now this is a Cuban. I tell you what, you go down to Ybor City in Tampa, you got your ham, you got your roast pork, your pickles, your mustard. There's nothing better. And to be able to do that now in your own microwave, I got to tell you, I forgot to put butter on the top. Come on,
we
Mark,
need butter
what are
on
you
the
doing
top,
here,
of
right?
course.
Silly guy. Let's go ahead and do that.
Butter on the top.
So now all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're just going to use the silicone to attach these together like that. That's it.
So do you see how Mark has, there's stretch to this?
Exactly.
So based on the size, right, if this was something that was thinner, it would still fit. So that stretches to allow it to press and have a little bit of that resistance as you are cooking. That's what's going to give us those beautiful grill marks as we're going through. So then, Mark, you're just popping in the microwave.
Well, I'll tell you what I don't need is a big machine. I don't need the cord. I don't need the electricity. I don't need removable, replaceable plates, right? All I need is my microwave. So listen, while that's going, let's do another one, okay?
Yes,
I've got another one heating up in here because it's not just for sandwiches. Maybe you want some grilled chicken. Maybe you want some blackened shrimp. Listen, anything that's going to go in there, it's going to get taken care of in the microwave, complete with your grill marks, complete with your char marks, everything you love. So let's go ahead and take this off, just like that. So now what I'm going to do, and I want you to listen to this again. Come on, right? No pots, no pans, no nothing. You can actually see it cooking. Now, the way this works, the cast aluminum absorbs the microwaves in your microwave, converts it to heat, and transfers it to the surface of your food. So whether it's chicken, whether it's shrimp, whether it's those sandwiches, you're not like heating something up in a bowl or on a plate where it's going to get rubbery and gummy and yucky, and you wouldn't serve it to your enemy. You want to make sure that this is going to taste like it came off the grill, which is what we're looking for.
Shrimp, a lot of times people do shrimp in the microwave because it's pretty fast, but it can become really tough. So to do it correctly and get those grill marks, that's amazing.
So have a look.
Tell us again, it's okay to go in the microwave even though it's metal?
Even though it's metal, because it's cast aluminum. Prepology, now listen, Prepology is our house brand, all right? This is everybody from the bean counters to the buyers making sure that you've got exactly what you need in your kitchen to make cooking fun and experimental and inviting, and we give you that splash of color. So even when it comes time for that beautiful blackened chicken, and I'm pretty sure I just heard the microwave making noise, that means my Cuban's done. So I'm going to stop cutting this because I like Cubans better than chicken.
Look at this. I'm going to hold this up for you because look at the beautiful char you're getting on there, beautiful seasonings.
And the cleanup.
Yeah, talk to us about cleaning.
You'll miss it. It's completely non-stick. So if you're just going to make another one, go right at it. If you're all done for the cooking session, whatever we're going to call it, then go ahead and pop this in the microwave or dishwasher. Top
right?
rack is fine.
Okay, perfect.
I'm excited over my sandwich.
This is exciting
Here we go.
because this is the type of food that usually we have to go out to the grill to get, or we have to go to the restaurant to get. Now we do it at home in the microwave. I can hear the sizzling of this cheese, of this sandwich.
Oh, okay, listen. You ready for this?
Yes. Wow.
That is a perfectly...
We need one of those like we
need
one of those great microphones that picks up all of the little
Let me get that
simmering
off of there.
sounds.
And remember, top and bottom. This is a panini press, so it's not just one side. You're getting the top and the bottom. So when you want that crunch, when you want that trip to Ybor City in Tampa without the airfare, when you want burnt old fingers, holy cow, this is the way to do it. Melty cheese, perfect. In fact, I'm sorry, I know you got colors to talk about.
Yeah. Is it good?
We're so good.
Make this at home. Have these. You have 2 colors to choose from. Totally safe to go into your microwave. Tomato or cracked pepper are your 2 color choices. $25.98 plus free shipping and handling. We're going to leave Mark to enjoy his sandwich. And we're going to see you a little bit. Oh, no, you're not. You're done. No. But we'll see you tomorrow on In the Kitchen with David. Yeah? Amazing. Okay, I'll see Mark tomorrow on In the Kitchen with David. I think we're actually presenting something tomorrow, so I'll see you there.